Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today's class is to help to relieve any stress, exhaustion, if you're feeling burnt out. This is a really quick and easy class for you. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's just come standing on the top of your mat. Place one hand on your heart, one hand on your belly. Just take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, feel your shoulders drop in. Breathe in again. Let it be deeper, flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel your whole body just relaxing, letting go of your day, anything that's bothering you. One more deep breath in. And breathing out, feel yourself just being more present, nowhere to be, nothing to do, just be here and be present. Deep breathing allows the mind to quieten, the body to relax. And then opening your eyes if your eyes are closed. So let's just widen our legs and breathe in. Breathe out. Wonderful stretching, wonderful breathing. Breathing in, stretch up, breathe out. One more, breathe in, stretching up, breathing out. And taking your feet to the center, let's go over to the other side. So stretch and breathe. Feel your heart opening. Breathe, stretch. And as you breathe out, come up. Breathe in and stretch down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. And then place your feet to the center. And now we're going to come onto the floor. Placing hands, spread your fingers. You can either have your feet flat here or spread the toes onto the mat. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out. Just curve your spine, feel it stretching. Feel your whole body relaxing. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, curve your spine gently, look down. Breathe in, look up one more time. Breathe out, curve your spine. And then come to center. And then you're just going to come towards your heels. So you'd spread your legs a little bit, bringing your toes together and just coming down. Relaxing your head either on the mat or bringing your hands towards the forehead, placing the forehead on your hands, whatever's comfortable for you. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Feel your whole body relaxing. Feel yourself just letting go. When the mind becomes quiet, you're able to let go of any tension, any stress. Really does allow the mind and body to relax as you let go of your tension. One more deep breath in here. And then coming up slowly, taking your time, bringing your legs in front of you. Now we're going to stretch up. Now whenever we stretch up, we allow ourselves to stretch up, push your tailbone down to protect your back and your core. So breathe in, stretch up, flex your toes, push your tailbone down, and then you're just going to come forward. Now you might be here, you might be here, you might even be able to touch your toes. There's no strain here, you're just giving yourselves permission to just let go and relax your feet now. Just breathing deeply, allowing anything that's, you're feeling stressed about, just allowing it to float away like clouds on a sunny day. And if you are feeling any tightness or tension in the body, ease off. You don't have to go, as far as touching your toes. You can just be here feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your neck, your back, and even feeling a stretch in your legs. You're just allowing the mind to become quiet and the body to relax. And when that happens, healing can happen in the body. And that means you're allowing the muscles to just open up, loosen, allowing again the body and mind to just relax. See if you can go a bit further or ease off if you want, and then just coming up slowly and coming into a twist now. So just bringing one foot in front of the other, taking the opposite hand or arm around your knee. You might even just be here, taking the other hand behind you, pushing down, and you might even want to bring it around you if you want to feel a stretch in the shoulder, or taking it on the floor. And you again make sure both buttocks are evenly on the ground, breathing in, stretching up, and as you breathe out, just feel yourself doing a lovely stretch on your back, your neck, even a stretch on the arm and the shoulder here. Breathing deeply, maybe taking one more deep breath in as you stretch up, pushing your tailbone down, and just as you breathe out, coming round. And then let's do the other side, swapping over, taking the opposite arm to the knee, or the hand even, taking the other hand behind you. Make sure both buttocks are evenly on the ground. Breathing in, stretching up, breathing out. And just see if you can look over your shoulder. Maybe one more deep breath in and stretching up. And then just looking over your shoulder a little bit more. Just breathing deeply here. Remember, when you breathe deeply, you're allowing the oxygen to flow to your whole body. That means breathing to your belly and then coming out slowly. And then just closing your eye. Just check in with yourself, how you're feeling now. Are you feeling a little bit relaxed? Is your mind feeling a little bit quiet? Does the body feel relaxed? Just feel and check in with yourself. Just allow your breath to flow all the way down to your belly. Breathe. Taking one more deep breath in here. And as As you breathe out, gently open your eyes. If you enjoyed this quick relaxation, if you're feeling stressed, burnt out, exhausted, it's really lovely to do before going to bed. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Share it with anyone you feel may benefit if they're feeling a bit stressed, burnt out, exhausted. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.